natin during the Bukal Season 4 ang Annunciation Panthers. We have the ACC Green Serpents, the UNC Greyhounds, and the Ateneo Golden
Yun.
Knights.
So ang first game natin dito sa ating regional elimination round is Annunciation Panthers and the Green Serpents. Pero ayun nga partner, no, parang kwento ko pa lang sa'yo kanina, feeling ko parang extended version to ng seniors ng Bukal Season 4. Napaka-nostalgic, no?
Yeah.
Tagal nating hindi nakita itong mga kuya ng ating mga juniors, nakakatapos lang ng season nila, kamakailan lang.
Pero iba ang intensity ng larong ngayong hapon kasi kung sino ang mananalo dito, aabante agad bukas para sa championship ng qualifying match-up. At meron lang pong isa para sa ating regional qualifiers ang aabante para sa South Luzon Championship kung saan naghihintay na ang ating Bukal champion, ang NCF Tigers. At makakalaban rin nila doon ang mga nag-champion sa Cavite, Laguna, Batangas sa kani-kanilang liga.
Dami pala ng ang magcha-champion dito. Talagang mahaba-habang journey pa ang tatahakin nila. Sa 20 na magsisimula yung South Luzon
Championship. Kaya iniimbitahan po namin ang mga basketball fans natin dito sa Bicol na pumunta para masaksihan ng ating South Luzon Championship. At ngayon na nga, kilalanin natin ang mga players ng ating dalawang kupunan. Magbabalik po kami para sa introduction ng ating both players.
And ayan na nga mga kaibigan, pinakilala na ang ating mga players from both sides ng ating Annunciation Panthers and ng ACC Green Serpents. Maraming partner, mga familiar faces, pero may mga nadagdag din ng mga pieces ang ating Green Serpents at ng ating Panthers dito sa ating ball game na ito.
At yung huling PCCL 2019, ang nag-regional champion ay ang Annunciation Panthers. Kaya nafe-feel ko rin naman ang excitement. And syempre, yung preparations nila just to maintain their title.
Yes, partner. May papatunayan dito ang ating Panthers dahil sila ang may hawak ng titulo dito sa ating regional championship. And syempre naman, alam natin na grabe rin ang preparations na ginawa ng ACC Green Serpents na sila yung runner-up sa ating Bukal Season 4 Seniors Division.
Iba nga, sabi ko kanina, iba yung intensity ng laro ngayon hanggang bukas. Kasi pinag-aagawan nila ang isang slot para sa ating South Luzon Championship kung saan makakalaban nila doon ang mga nag-champions. Kung sa atin dito, meron tayong Bukal. Of course, sa ibang lugar, meron rin silang kanya-kanyang collegiate league.
Yes, partner. And Ayan nga, sa 4 na teams, kagaya ng sabi mo, iisa lang ang makakapasok sa South Luzon Division na magaganap sa April 20 to 23.
And
So
sa
ating
mga-
first match natin, ang ating Green Serpents and ang ating Panthers. Mamaya naman is maglalaban ang UNC Greyhounds and ang Ateneo Golden Knights.
At sa gustong manood po, ang ating venue ay sa UNC Sports Palace. And pasalamatan din natin ang ating magigiting na sumusubaybay sa ating Facebook Live. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Happy viewing and thank you for watching. And don't forget to share and like our Facebook pages. Napapanood po tayo sa Bukal Facebook page at GNN Sports TV Facebook page.
And ayun na nga partner, tip in. Out of bounds kaagad. Ball possession ngayon ng Green Serpents to start this quarter. Acabado to inbound the ball. Passes to his teammate Liantero. Liantero to Nagar. Into the middle. Number 1 fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound dito ang Green Serpents. Liantero sidestep. Stripped away. Magandang defense pinapakita ngayon early on by the Panthers.
Ball possession, Dicano will fire for 3, no good.
Ball possession ngayon ng Green Serpents. Number 13, extra pass to his teammate. Gets that 2-pointer to put the Green Serpents on the scoreboard.
At hindi to bagong court para sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
Yes, partner.
Tatandaan natin, dito rin yung championship game ng
Yes.
ating ACC at NCF Tigers.
Obregon ngayon with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Passes to the corner. That's gonna be stepping on the line. Turnover dito ang ating Panthers.
First turnover ng ating Panthers.
Full court trapping ngayon pinapakita ng ating Panthers as the Green Serpents inbounds the ball.
At tatawagan doon ng foul si Alminye. Dicano, sorry. That's their first personal foul.
Bola ngayon ang annunciation with that whistle called by the referee. Ay, ng Green Serpents pala partner. My bad. Liantero now with the ball. Mamadali, passes to the corner. Acabado a 3-pointer. That's good. Alam talaga natin partner no na isang sharpshooter. Ito si Acabado Rosendo. Magaling talagang ang court vision niya, lalong-lalo na ang shooting percentage niya. Pero ayan, layup by Decano, no good. Pero may whistle dito ang ating referee.
Pero yung isa sa aabangan natin sa ating annunciation ay si Matos. Si Matos.
Si Matos talaga.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi siya starting lineup. No? Talagang inaabangan ang pagpasok ni Matos dito. And sigurado maya-maya, papasok na ang team captain ng annunciation at isa sa mga key player ng ating annunciation.
Oo, kung natatandaan ng ating mga viewers nung past games noon ng ating Panthers, talagang magaling
Ay, oo.
sa 3-point line si Matos. Pero ayan, second shot ni Decano is no good. Wala pa ring puntos ang Panthers dito with that second chance point.
Bola na ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Nagar. And tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way sa side ng ating annunciation Panthers. Hi Janelle, kamusta? Ano bang update sa ating Panthers?
Burns and Russell, andito na nga tayo sa 2023 Regional Elimination kung saan ang Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon o mas kilalang Annunciation Panthers kasama ang kanilang assistant coach na si Evan De La Cruz at ang kanilang head coach na si Ron Halmansor ay isa sa mga qualifiers para makapasok sa South Luzon Philippine Collegiate Champions League. Burns and Russell, ang Annunciation nga ay nag-iwan ng marka noong taong bilang PCCL Regional Champion at ngayon nga muling nagbabalik ang Annunciation Panthers para protektahan ang corona bilang PCCL Regional Champion. Mga kaibigan, this is Maria Janelle Jomano at isa ako sa mga kasama nyo bilang iyong courtside reporter at ngayong hapon, mga kasama nyo ako dito sa kupunan ng Panthers kaya keep on tuning in sa aming Facebook pages 2023 PCCL Bicol, UCCL, GNN TV48 Naga para sa mainit na diskusyon, eksena, reaction at updates dito sa loob ng hardcourt. Burns and Russell, balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat Janelle. sa pagpapakilala ng ating Annunciation Panthers. At yun na nga, may first point na tayo, partner, galing sa ating Annunciation. At bola ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Decano. Ariscon now has the ball. And Decano calling for a play here.
Grabing
Nice.
depensa pinapakita ng Green Serpents dito. Layup attempt no good. Offensive rebound tries again, wala pa rin.
Nice D, nice block there by Salvacion. Diretso. That's 2 points para kay Salvacion.
1 point lead hawak ngayon ng Green Serpents. 6 minutes 37 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
Nagar, the team captain.
And to give us an update on the side of the Green Serpents, tawagin naman natin ng ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Kim, ano ang update dyan sa side ng ating Green Serpents?
To run, defend, convert, play as one. That's the mentality that the Serpents will use this afternoon as they hit the court on this 2023 Philippine Collegiate Champions League Regional Elimination Match to get the slot going into the South Luzon Championship. A team with a revamped lineup at isa raw sa mga malalakas na kupunan. That's how ACC described the Annunciation Panthers. Pero kahit daw medyo pressured, gagawin daw nila ang lahat ng makakaya and will not capitulate to defeat. After successfully ending Bucal season for seniors as first runner-ups and using the past month to become ready and equipped, let's see if the Green Serpents will be able to secure a win at makatagos para sa susunod na elimination match bukas. Mga kaibigan, ako po si Kimberly DLS, one of your courtside reporters reporting live for the Green Serpents. So, next sa inyo, gentlemen.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim for that update on the side of our Green Serpents. And oo na nga partner, tama rin yung sinabi ni Kim na grabe na yung ginawang achievements ng ating Green Serpents. From being a first runner-up noong Bucal Season 4 to now being a qualifying team para sa ating PCCL. Talagang napakalayo na ng journey narating ng ating Green Serpents.
At nabanggit nga rin ni Kim kanina na may mga bago talaga silang players ngayon para talagang nakita naman natin pinagandaan para sa ating PCCL.
Ayun nga, revamped lineup nga yung sabi ni Kim dito. Talagang kung noon malakas na yung ACC, ngayon mas pinalakas pa nila.
At napansin ko rin sa ating Annunciation Panthers, marami rin nakadagdag, no?
Oo.
Especially yung mga big man ng ating Panthers. Like si Salvacion, if I'm not mistaken. Ngayon lang ata naglaro or naglaro na ba siya?
Dati na siya
Dati
naglalaro
na.
pa. Ang unfamiliar sa akin yun, it's yung number 1 nila. Yan si Villanueva.
Si Villanueva.
Oo.
Alright. Pero yun na, pumasok na nga. At nakita naman natin, naka-box 1. Mantuman agad si Matos dito, mga kaibigan.
Oo, yung isa sa mga inaabangan nating
Villanueva,
players.
Floater shot is good.
Deadlock tayo ngayon at 6.
Nice
Scrambling
D.
for the ball dito, Villanueva and Green Serpent.
Jump ball. Kaninong bola ibibigay ng ating referee.
Number 1
possession.
laban kay number 1 at Vincula and Villanueva. Scrambles for that ball. Kaninong ball
Bola ngayon
possession ba yun, partner?
ng Annunciation
Okay.
Panthers.
Deadlock tayo at 6 dito with the ball possession by the Panthers here. Full court pa rin ang trapping na pinapita dito ng ating Green Serpents. Matos now with the ball.
Passes to Salvacion.
14 seconds
Villanueva.
dito.
Villanueva will attack again using the glass and that's good. Capitalizing
Oo.
his body.
Malaki yung katawan kasi ni Villanueva
Oo, yung
dito.
katawan.
Bully ball talaga yung offense ang pinapakita niya. Pero Matos with a steal. Passes to his teammate. Masyadong malakas. Obregon with that turnover.
Sayang ng pasang yon. Ay, nabuhayan ulit. Iba talaga yung spirit na dinadala ni Matos
Oo.
pag nasa loob na siya ng hardcourt.
Gandang
Nagdadala niya
hustle.
lahat ng team.
Pero ayan, Green Serpents now on the offense. Acabado with the ball. Goes inside. Extra pass. Floater. In and out.
Rebounded by Villanueva. At
Whistle
makakuha
called
ng
by the
foul.
referee.
That's from Acabado. Both teams has their second team fouls. Number 19 inbounding the ball. Finding Matos.
And sa nakikita natin partner dito sa ating official lineup ng mga teams, ang ating Green Serpents, ang average nilang age, mga nasa young side pa talaga, no? Mga halos karamihan sa kanila is born on 2001, 2002, 2000s. Samantalang sa ating Panthers naman, may
Same.
mga players pa
Oh.
silang mga Team 90s kids, di ba?
Oo, 1999 yung
Oo.
pinaka... Pero abot pa naman. Long three-pointer. Hindi, pero andun again si Villanueva for the second chance and for the third chance. Bucket. Number 17, Sabio.
Sakulo. Extra passes to number 15. Fadeaway jumper. No good. Offensive rebound. Sakulo with that
Sakulo.
putback.
That putback.
Napakaganda nun. 2-point lead. Hawak ngayon ng Panthers. 3 minutes 35 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
Matos finding again a foul. That's from Nagar.
Kabahog papasok dito. Lalabas muna si Nagar. Matos now on the free throw line. Penalty situation na sila dito.
And Fajardo will also enter the hard court. Yun, early. Dalawang agad ang foul ni Nagar. Ni Nagar.
Napaka-delikado na ng situation niya dito. 3 na lang and then he will be excluded from the game dito. Kailangan niyang mag-ingat sa mga picks niya na ginagawa dito.
And for the first attempt of Matos is no good.
Makikita natin partner yung isa sa mga best players noon nung Bukal Season 4 si Fajardo.
Si Fajardo.
Talagang isang established big man talaga siya ng ating Panthers. Pero ayan, second attempt ni Matos, no good.
Sakulo now has the ball.
Double team. Effective there for the Panthers. That's gonna be turned over by Sakulo.
Bola ngayon ng ating Panthers.
Gandang depensa pinapakita dito ng ating Panthers early on in this ball game.
Sabio. Beautiful defense there, pero tatawagan ng foul doon. Jersey number 12 ng ating Green Serpents.
Septo will get his foul. 2 shots ngayon para kay Sabio. Foul trouble ngayon ang ating Green Serpents.
At nasa penalty situation na nga ang ating Panthers. With 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time sa ating first period.
Sabio with his first shot. That's good. And syempre, shoutout sa ating mga viewers dyan sa ating mga Facebook pages. Don't forget to like and share our stream para mas marami pa ang makapagpanood ng PCCL
Yes,
2023.
Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok. Pero ngayon nga, inibitahan na natin kanina pero imbitahan ko pa rin sila na mas tumutok lalong-lalo na on April 20 kung saan magsisimula ang ating South Luzon Championship. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, mga kaibigan, ang pupunta po dito ay ang mga champions sa Collegiate League galing sa Cavite, Laguna, Batangas.
Oo.
And syempre, ang ating Bukal champion dito, ang NCF Tigers.
Napakagandang passing doon by the Panthers. Beautiful court vision there by Matos. Grabe. Talagang gigil dito si Matos. Kung natatandaan natin, partner, yung final game sana nila. Yung last game nila para sa Bukal Season 4. Suspended doon si Matos because
Saan,
of
natalo sila ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And we have a timeout. Golden, mamaya tutok lang po kayo dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We'll be right back. Yeah, we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace para sa ating unang match-up ng ating regional qualifying rounds. Panthers versus Green Serpents.
inbound successful here by the Green Serpents. Sakolo with the layup, no good. Offensive rebound, Sakolo. 14 seconds on the shot clock dito. Sakolo passes to the middle. Balik kay Sakolo. Penetration. Pero may foul dito ang ating referee na nakita.
Sakolo will stop on the line. Pero pasalamatan muna natin ang ating sponsors. We would like to thank the PCCL following sponsors. We have Naga College Foundation, Converge ICT Solution, Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, 3N Bakery, the Bicol's best toasted siopao, Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, Replica Printing, Bite Swag Catering Services, Pacific Cross Philippines, and Bihag Burger, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF Driving School, NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings, Tigers Cafe, and NCF Training Pool. Thank you very much to our dearest sponsors.
Ayan, going back dito sa ating ball game. 2 minutes, 14 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. That's gonna be a turnover on the side of the Panthers.
Ayan yung mga kailangan pag-ingatan ng ating both teams. Yung mga unforced errors.
Ball possession dito ng Annunciation. With 14 seconds on the shot clock, Sabio will inbound the ball. Gets to Ariscon.
Ariscon, finding his teammate. Pass! Alley-oop pass pala ngayon para kay Sabio. Nice play by the Panthers.
Turnover dito. Ulit ang ating Green Serpents.
Another turnover para sa side ng ating Green Serpents. And they must be careful ang mga turnovers na to.
Basaysay papasok dito. Papalitan niya si Kabahog. 14 seconds ulit. Villanueva with the ball. Gets that inbound pass. Sabio penetrates. Sidestep. Fade away. No good.
Fajardo, the big man, is there. Nice footwork there. In and out is off. Pero, andun pa rin si Ariscon.
Villanueva.
Long 3-pointer.
No good pa rin. Sabio ulit. May
Sabio.
offensive rebound.
Crosses over. Matos on the corner.
Bang!
Ayan na. Pumuntos na si Matos.
Matos now with his first 3-pointer.
And parang ito yung unang 3-pointer
Oh.
ng ating Panthers. Kanina si
Acabado.
Acabado. Ay mga matitinik.
Floater, no good para sa side ng Green Serpents.
Ating
Villanueva.
3-pointer. Villanueva. Beautiful fake there.
It's gonna be
Natawagan
traveling
ng
violation.
Traveling violation. Si Sabio. De La Torre will check in sa ating hardcourt.
Less than a minute remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Ball possession ngayon ng Green Serpents. Basaysay with the ball, guarded by Matos. Lob pass doon sa gitna to number 15. Tries, no good sa kanyang layup. Rebound dito ni De La Torre.
Kay Matos na ang bola. Pass to De La Torre. Shot is off.
Almario with that rebound. Passes to Basaysay. Balik kay Almario. Sidestep Almario. Floater hindi lang pumasok. Number 15. That's a
Nice
block by De La
defense
Torre.
there. Villanueva has the ball.
That's a
Bitawan,
steal.
that's a turnover. 15 seconds.
Puntos dito para kay Almario. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Matos.
Matos.
Fires a
for
3. That's good!
Good!
And that's the end of our first quarter. Double-digit lead para sa Annunciation, 22-12. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po ang PCCL. And we are back live dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace para sa ating PCCL 2023 kung saan napaka-dominant performance ang pinakitang laro ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Double-digit lead coming in to the second quarter but a steal there by number 16. Technical error dito sa side ng ating mga table of officials. Pero napakagandang hustle kaagad yung pinakita ni Alminia doon sa inbound pass ng ating Green
I was
Serpents.
about to say kanina na yung kailangan pangalagaan ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents, yung mga turnovers nila.
Oo.
Makikita naman natin mamaya, di ba, sa ating stats.
Yes.
Points coming from turnovers at nakita din natin nung first quarter doon nahirapan sa trapping defense
Oo.
ng Panthers ang ating ACC.
isa sa mga na-observe ko noon habang nagko-commentator tayo partner sa Bukal noon is nung seniors division, pati na rin naman sa juniors is napaka-effective talaga ng mga full court trapping na pinapakita ng mga teams, no? Usually ang mga teams natin na nakikita noong Bukal Season 4 is talagang transition offense
Oo,
talaga sila. Fast
transition
break talaga
offense.
kung fast break. Pero on the defensive side naman, talagang full court trapping nila kahit napaka-early on. In the quarter, nagsisimula pa lang 30 seconds in the quarter. Full court defense
Oo.
talagang pinapakita nila.
Tsaka
And proven to be effective talaga, lalong-lalo na sa play style ng ating NCF Tigers.
yeah. Fast pace ang mga laro ng ating mga players during the Bukal, and siguro dahil na rin sa kanilang edad.
Oh, syempre
Nasa
mga
edad.
bata pa eh.
Oo, sa edad. Kumbaga yung mga stamina nito,
Mhm.
umaapaw pa.
Pero yan
and,
nga,
back to the
counted
ball
yung
game
2
tayo.
points
Counted yung 2
nung
points.
ating Annunciation Panthers.
Oo, coming from a steal.
Isang dosena na ang kalamangan na meron dito ang Panthers. Sakulo, that's another steal.
By Decano, number 7. That's an easy 2 points.
Gandang depensa talaga pinapakita dito ng Panthers and slight miscommunications on the side of the Green Serpents. Acabado now with the ball. Passes to his teammate. Sakulo with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Passes to the corner. 3-point attempt. No good.
Out, wala. Rebounded by the big man, Fajardo. Passes to Alminye. Alminye. Nice fake there. Feed to the big man, Salvacion. For 2.
Beautiful passing dito para sa side ng Panthers. Grabe yun. Sakulo heavily guarded by Alminye. Dinoble team siya. Passes to his teammate to the corner. Liantero, open layup. No good.
Rebounded by Alminye now. Passes to Ariscon. Obregon.
Uy!
Sidestep. At nakasabit. Foul called to number 23 Acabado. That's his second. Hindi ako nagkakamali. That's his second personal foul.
Kung na-observe mo partner, no, napakaswabe ng mga movements ng ating Panthers. Pati ako nadadalaw napapauwi na lang ako eh.
First personal foul pala. Si Nagar pala ang ating may dalawa ng foul
Oo.
kanina. So first personal foul pa lang ni Acabado. At shoutout tayo dito sa ating mga viewers. Shoutout sa iyo, Mitch Trinidad. Go Annunciation Panthers. And from Nico Mirabueno, let's go mga kuya. Ayan. Shoutout po sa inyo, happy viewing. And kay John Derek Berse, kay Kirch Umali, and kay Nathaniel Peña, happy viewing.
First attempt dito ni Obregon, no good. Meron pa rin siyang isang free throw dito.
At yun, unti-unti na nga pumapasok ang ating mga basketball fans dito sa ating UNC Sports Palace. Second attempt is no good. Nagar.
To Liantero to Acabado, pump fakes, goes inside, extra pass, whistle called by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Decano.
That's the second personal foul ni Decano.
Acabado will inbound the ball. Naghahanap ng teammate na mapapasahan. Gets to Pacham.
From the
Attempt, no
elbow.
good. Decano.
Decano, sorry.
It's gonna be another foul on the Green Serpents.
Again, Annunciation is on the line. Nakailang free throw na kaya ang ating Annunciation?
Kita natin sa ating instant replay yung foul. Tinawag ng ating referee doon.
As again, foul trouble ang ating Annunciation Panthers ngayong first half. First shot is off. Green Serpents rather. Sorry.
8 minutes, 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Decano with his second attempt. No good. Whistle called by the referee dito. Signaling the ball possession ng ating Green Serpents. Struggling to make good offense dito ang ating Green Serpents. Pero masyado pang maaga, partner, para sabihin natin na mag-relax ang ating
Oo.
Panthers dito.
Kung matatandaan mo nun, Burns, nung finals, third quarter game ang ACC, di ba?
Oo. Third quarter surge talaga
Oo.
ang kalakasan dito ng ating Green Serpents. Nagar with that layup, no good, pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. 2 shots dito ngayon para kay Nagar.
That's the foul from Salvacion.
And kung hindi alam ng karamihan dito, si John Nico Nagar, isa sa mga decorated players talaga ng Bukal, no? 2 times na siyang nakasama sa palarong pambansa
Palarong
team.
pambansa.
Oo.
Oo.
Tapos champion pa sila sa iba-ibang liga with Amando Cope and his former team noon. Pero yan, second attempt ni Nagar, no good. Nasa opensa ngayon
Gone.
ang Panthers.
We have Decano.
Obregon.
Baseline jumper is off.
Ball possession dito
Big
ng
pass.
Panthers. Last touch
Last
ni
touch
Acabado.
ni Acabado. We have 7 minutes and 36 seconds left, and we have a timeout called by the Annunciation Panthers. 28 total. We will be right back. Yeah, we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace para sa ating elimination round, regional elimination round ng ating South PCCL. Ball possession ng Panthers, Salvacion. Bank shot is off. Another opportunity.
Napakataas ng vertical ni Alminia doon.
grabe dun.
Grabbing that offensive rebound. Obregon now inbounding the ball. Nagaanap ng teammate. Alminia gets that inbound.
Decano calling for a play here. We have Salvacion. Passes to Fajardo. Nice fakes there with the big man. Perimeter shot is off. There's the last touch ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
And to give us an update on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Kim, ano ang update dyan sa side ng ating Green Serpents?
Yes, Burns and Russell, nawawala sa positioning, loose guards at early fouls ang tila dumimolish sa magandang starting lead sana ng ating ACC Green Serpents, ending the first quarter with 10 points deficit. Kaya naman sa dugout, Coach John Rodriguez appointed to set the ball, huwag masyadong maraming dribble, be on your right positions, communicate at tulungan ang kakampi. Now, still on the first half, the Green Serpents are trying to change the way they play by not playing individually but with coordination and connection sa loob ng court. Dagdagan pa ang defense. Maririnig naman dito sa bench ng Green Serpents ang payo ng mga kakampi na pressure. Now that's it for now. Back to you, Burns and Russell.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Kim, for that update on the side of the Green Serpents. Communication is key nga talaga, sabi ng ating coach na si Coach Rodriguez sa kanyang mga players. Kailangan nilang mag-usap sa loob ng hard court. Medyo talaga malayo sa position ang ating Green Serpents, kaya medyo nagkakaroon sila ng miscommunication sa loob ng hard court dito. Pero ayan nga, 28-14 ang ating score, lamang pa rin ng 14 ang ating Panthers with 6 minutes and 6 seconds remaining dito.
Kanina nga Burns, habang nagre-report ang ating courtside reporter, isang napakagandang play kanina ng ACC. Crossover move kanina ng Green Serpents. At napakinggan na natin ang side ng Green Serpents. Ngayon naman tawagin natin ng ating courtside reporter from the Panthers. Hi Janelle, kamusta?
Positive mindset and do your work. Ito nga ang isa sa mga binanggit ni Coach Ron sa mga players bago magsimula ang laro ngayong hapon. Pinaalala din ni Coach Ron na maging consistent sa ginagawang trabaho, mapaloob man o mapalabas ng hardcourt. And during the huddle, isa sa mga major errors na binanggit ni Coach Ron na natural ang missed shots pero dapat iwasan ng mga players ang turnover. Kaya huwag mataranta, huwag magmadali at laging paalala nito na ang pag nagkamali agad na bumawi. Yun lamang ang update dito sa side ng Panthers. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat Janelle. At yun na, ayon kay Coach Ron, they have to be consistent sa kanilang ginagawang trabaho sa loob ng hardcourt and yung mindset nila. Hindi binanggit pero sa tingin ko, championship mindset ang ibibigay ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
And nakikita naman natin, partner, na napaka-consistent ng plays na ginagawa dito ng Panthers. Kanina marami silang turnovers. Ngayon medyo nabawasan nila ng konti.
Yung consistency nila when it comes to defending the ball. Pero
speaking of turnovers, turnover kaagad yung Panthers. That's an easy two-pointer by Advincula.
And we have a timeout called by the Annunciation Panthers with 4 minutes and 43 seconds left sa ating second period. Don't go anywhere. PCCL will be right back. And we are back here live at the UNC Sports Palace para sa regional elimination round ng ating PCCL. Ang mananalo po dito aabante agad sa ating championship game bukas dito rin sa UNC Sports Palace. At mamaya sa ating second game, UNC versus Ateneo ang maglalaban. At kung sino rin po ang manalo doon sa dalawa, automatic championship na rin. And para sa matatalo, meron pa rin naman tayong battle for third tomorrow.
Yun. Pero yan partner, no? Ang ating Green Serpents have reduced the gap to only single digits. 8-point lead na lang hawak ngayon ng ating Panthers. Matos with the ball. Passes to the corner. Villanueva.
Ay, tatawaga doon na loose ball foul. Si Matos.
First foul dito ni Matos. Advincula to inbound the ball. Passes to Liantero. Liantero heavily guarded by Villanueva. Kailangan niya nang maitawid ang bola. Gets it. Crossing over Villanueva. Liantero. Layup. That's a block by Ariscon.
Ariscon.
And Matos.
Napakabilis. Matos for 2.
Napakabilis ng transition of offense doon. Talagang fast break talaga ang ginawa dito. And another steal by Matos. Ang bilis ng takbo dito. That's a steal by Acabado.
Nag-hesitate pa kasi doon si Matos.
Nagar naman. That's a beautiful pass to his teammate Pacham. Gets that 2-pointer. Balik sa single digits ang lead dito ng Panthers. 22-30. 3 minutes 30 seconds dito sa ating first half. Villanueva to Obregon. Balik kay Villanueva.
Villanueva uses the glass at makakakuha ng foul and he will step on the line to make his bonus shots. Shoutout sa'yo Mark Fajardo. And kay Julie Atotubo. Shoutout din. Happy viewing. And from Alexander Rivera, shoutout kay Mark Alminye.
First shot dito.
Villanueva is on the line, making his bonus shots. 3 minutes and 19 seconds. 30-22 ang ating scoreboard, mga kaibigan.
Gandang hustle ang pinapakita dito ni Matos. 2 steals kaagad sa kanya dito.
And doon po sa nagtatanong, sa Thursday po sa ating South Luzon Championship, April 20 maglalaro ang bukal champion natin ng NCF Tigers. Ang kalaban po nila ay University of Batangas.
Yun. Mainit-init na labanan yan.
Oo, 5 PM po ang start ng ating, that's the third game. 2
Mhm.
PM po ang ating opening. At 3, maglalaro po ang champion sa Cavite at Laguna.
Yun. Pero ayan, going back dito sa ating ball game. Corner pass to Acabado. Ngayon, nasa possession na ni Nagar. Passes to Advincula. Acabado open for 3. No good. Matos na naman. Fast break.
3 against 2. Tapik ang bola. Out of bounds. Ball possession pa rin ng ating Panthers.
Liantero
14
papasok.
seconds.
Lalabas muna dito si Basaysay.
Shot clock. And Matos will inbound the ball, creating an end line play.
Matos naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Villanueva.
Villanueva finding Matos. Matos fires for 3.
No good.
That's too strong.
Nagar on the offense para sa Green Serpents. Passes to Acabado. To the center. Advincula 3. No good.
Easy rebound there. Salvacion now. Obregon.
Villanueva
Villanueva.
dito.
Balik kay Obregon. Passes Salvacion. Short jumper is off. Wala pa rin for the second chance.
Nagar gets that. Fast break ngayon dito. Acabado. Layup. Easy. Finger roll para dito kay Acabado. 2 minutes. Remaining time dito sa ating first half.
Down to 7 points na lang ang kalamangan ng ating Panthers, mga kaibigan.
Matos with the ball.
Ariscon.
Magandang ball distribution ang ginagawa dito ng ating Panthers. Nakikita natin na nagsa-circulate talaga yung bola as Villanueva fires at 3.
Parang lahat ng play nila, every possession, lahat nakakahawak ng bola.
Yes, partner, no? Siyempre, kailangan nilang mag-communicate dito kapag alanganin. Kailangan mo talagang ipasa sa teammate mo. Pero Acabado now on the offense para sa side ng Green Serpents. Acabado to his teammate. Goes inside. Fakes.
Oh, beautiful footwork there.
Second
Gets
chance.
that rebound at makakakuha ng foul. And
May,
number 13 of the Green Serpents will step on the line making his bonus shots.
May naalata lang ako, partner, na kapag may mga magaganda talagang shots, may mga magagandang position ng ating Green Serpents, hindi lang talaga nila na i-convert into points yung kanilang mga ano.
Pero kinagandaan doon, nakakuha ng foul ang ating Green Serpents. Which is advantage para nila.
Pero they still need to get those shots in, yung mga attempts nila, dahil sayang nun. Though nakakakuha sila ng mga fouls dito, they still need to get that basket inside of the hoop. Pero second attempt here, no good. Whistle by the referee.
Loose ball foul from number 19 ang itatawag. That's his second personal foul. Obregon. Annunciation ngayon ng bola. Matos. Back to the captain. 15 seconds shot clock. Patos fires for a long 3. Shot is off. Pero yung hustle sa offensive rebound ng ating Panthers. Step back. Jumper is off.
Fast break dito ang ACC. Pacham layup. That's good. 2 points ulit para kay Pacham. 40 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Alminya with the ball in the hands of Matos to Salvacion. Salvacion goes inside, penetrates. Bola ng Green Serpents.
At ayun, nahihirapan ngayon ang ating Panthers when it comes to going inside the paint and scoring from the paint. Nice defense para sa ating Green Serpents.
Llantera now with the ball. Taking his time dito, passes to Advincula. Advincula to Pacham. Pacham to Nagar. Nagar fires a 3. No good. Gandang screen sana yun.
10 seconds to shoot. Matos. Salvacion. Shot is off.
Nagar, final shot, no good. That's gonna be the end of our first half. Ang ating score, 31-27. 4-point lead na lang ang hawak ng ating Panthers. ACC, gandang hustle. Decreasing that deficit into only 4 points. Pero ayan mga kaibigan, don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po ang PCCL.